thing I like most about this career is you really get to dig in and kind of figure out systems that you never dealt with before. It's really interesting to tackle new problems and figure them out in a way that satisfaction of accomplishing something, creating it, automating a process, the end game, that is really what you look for, and that satisfaction is what really drives me. Students will design and 3D print things that they make in Inventor, along with, on the electrical side, students will use the electrical software to build their own electrical prints, along with making changes, edits, so that when they go out into industry, they can be that guy that makes the changes if they add a new sensor, or keeping things up to date is really important in industry. So having a good understanding of how those electrical prints work, along with designing them themselves. So students are going to really be working with a focus on like PLCs, so Rockwell specifically. We're going to be using Studio 5000 a lot in our program, but also touching on 500, trying to give students that base layer they're looking for, so when they get out in the field, they can connect with these PLCs and work with them. Along with that, they're going to be dealing with FANUC robotics typically. They should be able to troubleshoot, move them, understand the programming language, and all of those things that I incorporate with those as well. Along with vision systems, so we're going to touch on vision guidance, along with tying those smart sensors in. So really integrating, robotics, with the PLC, kind of creating what looks like one whole system, but tying everything all together. We also want to work with laser etching and basically just any new technologies that come along. We really want to incorporate with the program. We want to keep up with the standard, along with teaching students of what they could possibly see out in the field. Really, in the program, we're looking for hands-on, eager to learn students. You're going to want to challenge yourself. You're going to find a lot of opportunity out in the field. It's very high demand. You're never going to be bored in this field. You're going to constantly be challenged. It might be a little bit much at first, but for anybody that's really looking to not be bored, it's kind of the route you really want to go.